I'ma just bounce to the music. And I'ma just bounce to the music. 7 Lakes, boy, you know that it's too lit. 7 Lakes, you ain't ready for that new shit. The game, but I'm feeling like the new kid. You a lame.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. If you're looking at the title and you're like, this is probably clickbait, it's not, unfortunately. I kind of wished it was. So if you do enjoy this video, I would love it if you would click that subscribe button below. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday, and I'm gonna just get started on this video. So back in November 22nd to be exact, Kylie released her holiday collection of 2017. I was really excited because there's a couple things that I wanted from the collection, the wet set and the nice palette. I have a goddaughter. She's like 12 years old now. She really likes Kylie Jenner. When she came to my house for my birthday, she saw all my Kylie stuff. I could really tell that she wanted something Kylie. So I decided I would get her something from the birthday collection, but I would buy it with my holiday stuff because she still had like those mini matte liquid lipsticks from her birthday collection still available with the holiday collection, as well as I wanted to see some of her lip products from her holiday line and see if those would suit her better. But I decided the birthday collection is what she would be more into since she's younger and the packaging is like, you know, baby pink and adorable. So I decided to order her Christmas gift with my holiday collection stuff. Okay, so this was November the 22nd. And on November 24th, that was Black Friday, and of course all the holiday stuff was already sold out like a couple days before. She did have a sale for Black Friday. Her lip products were like 40% off or something like that on the website, and I'm like, I could have ordered my goddaughter's gift now and got 40% off, but it's okay, like it will come before this stuff. Anyways, I'm just gonna order a couple things for myself. So that's exactly what I did. I ordered some stuff for myself from Black Friday, and it's all right here in this box. I still haven't touched it because I was sick the last week of December and I didn't want to try on like new lip products on my lips, you know, so I got a few things for myself. I was like, okay, cool, like my Black Friday stuff will come eventually, but I don't expect it to ship before the holiday collection stuff, and I'm sure I'm gonna have it before Christmas. No, let me tell you guys what day it is right now. It is currently January the 6th. I don't know when this video is going to be going up. I believe it's going to be going up like not this Sunday but like next Sunday. So it'll be like middle of January by the time this goes up. But currently it's January the 6th. I have not received anything from, okay, it's been November 22nd, okay? So it's been way more than a month already, okay? You guys, I order stuff from Fashion Nova, from ColourPop all the time. I live in Western Canada. California is on the West Coast. Stuff from California never takes a month. It usually takes around 2 weeks. I would say if you're in like Eastern Canada or, you know, international, it would probably take up to 3 weeks. But for me, it takes 2 weeks. Black Friday stuff shipped the following Wednesday. So I ordered on Friday, shipped on Wednesday. My stuff from the 22nd still had not shipped. They sent me an email saying, you know, we haven't forgotten about you, blah blah blah, like their usual, like we have longer processing times than normal because it's a busy time, blah blah blah. And I'm like, okay, usually when they send me this message it gets shipped within 3 days. A week goes by, nothing. 2 weeks goes by, and then I decide, you know what, maybe I'll contact Kylie customer service, see what's going on with my order. I do that. I get the most generic reply ever. My email to them, I said, hey, my order number is K blah blah blah. I placed an order when the collection came out, as well as an order 3 days after on Black Friday, but my Black Friday order has shipped out, but not this one. I understand it's a busy month, but my order also contains Christmas gifts. I'm wondering why this hasn't shipped yet, but my other one has. Thanks. I get the most generic reply ever. We're really working hard to get your order out. We will finish shipping soon. Generally, the processing times are 3 to 5 business days, but however, due to high volume of orders, additional processing days may be necessary. We apologize for the delay. If you have not received your shipping confirmation, don't worry. Once your order ships, you will receive an email. Then like half a week goes by. So it's like 2.5 weeks since I placed this order. No shipping, nothing. So I decide that I would contact them again. So what I did basically is I went on to Kylie Cosmetics Instagram and I commented on one of her photos that I had not received my order, as well as a bunch of people were commenting on her photos that they have not received their order either, or like an order confirmation, I mean shipping confirmation. So you know those like Kylie fan pages that are on Instagram? So one of them like replied to my comment and was like, you know, the processing times are longer this time of the year, blah blah blah, like they should be shipping out on Saturday or Monday or something like that. And I'm like, okay. And she's like, by the way, you should look at their Instagram story, like, you know, there's some delays because of the forest fire in California, and you would know this if you watch their story. Okay, first of all, I have an issue with this because number one, they should be messaging everybody that they are having shipping delays, not just like ignoring us completely when it's been like 2.5 weeks since we ordered these products. A bunch of people had their orders shipped already, a bunch of people got their orders already, obviously, because on YouTube there's a bunch of reviews on the holiday collection. But for those of us who haven't gotten our shipping confirmation, they should be sending us an email saying like, okay, like we get that it's been 2 weeks, but we're sorry, blah blah blah. You know, Fashion Nova does this all the time. They send out coupon codes if your order hasn't shipped within a certain amount of time, but they completely just ignored everybody, okay? And on Instagram, on their Instagram story, they posted this thing, but the thing is, not everybody has Instagram. Not everybody's gonna watch their story. I don't go on Instagram to watch people's stories all day long. I don't have time for that. So they, instead of putting this on their Instagram story, I feel like they should have sent an email to every single person that had ordered, that had not gotten their order shipped. I'm just gonna read what it says and then I'll get into another reason why this pisses me off, okay? So basically on their Instagram story, I will insert a picture right here as well as read it to you. It says, "Hi guys, we have been significantly impacted by the wildfires in Southern California and had to temporarily shut down our facility to ensure the safety of our staff. The impact of the fires has meant that many of our staff members have been evacuated from their homes and have to relocate their families. Those who weren't evacuated came back in yesterday and have been working around the clock to get orders out. Our team is incredible and everyone is working hard to catch up, and we are doing everything we can to ship orders while ensuring the health and safety of our members. Orders are continuing to ship and we appreciate everyone's patience and support. We will continue to keep you updated. XO." So, number one thing, I feel like they should have sent it to everybody that had ordered and not had gotten their order shipped yet. Number one. Number two is that during this whole thing, they say they care about their staff members that are affected by the fire. A bunch of them had to relocate, etc., etc. But this is exactly the same time that Kylie launched her $360 makeup brushes, her, I don't know, 24 shades of lipstick, and her 40 shades of concealer. I think it's like 40, close to 40. So she says that she cares and that they're still catching up and blah blah blah, but they had a big ass launch with lipsticks, concealers, and makeup brushes like in the same week, okay? That's gonna create more of a backlog of orders that need to be shipped because we're putting out an insane amount of products in this huge launch. Like, what are you doing? You haven't even shipped your holiday collection yet. As well as she restocked her holiday collection that same week, and she launched her Kylie truck. If you guys weren't aware of the Kylie truck, it is or was a like cosmetics truck that drove around LA and Southern California and that had sold her makeup products. So that was my whole issue with this whole situation, is my order had not shipped. It's been a really long time. I'm waiting to get my Christmas gift for my goddaughter that has not shipped yet. And she's launching all of these products, yet she says she cares about her employees and that they had to evacuate their facilities, blah blah blah. I mean, I have no problem with that, but if you're doing this, you're not informing your customers, and you are having a huge makeup launch that same week, that is an issue with me. That shows you do not care about your workers. That shows like just ignorance, okay? And the fact that your customer service team is so stupid with their replies, they're so generic. I asked a question, I asked a simple question: why has my order not shipped yet? Why has my Black Friday order shipped already when it was ordered afterwards, right? So they couldn't answer that question for me. I did end up replying to their email. They completely ignored me. And then I resent another email like the following week, and she said that while my order is processing, they can refund me my money and I can cancel, but they have shipped my order that day, so I can't. So basically it took almost 3 weeks for them to ship my order. Shipped around like December the 16th, I want to say, and I still haven't got it. It's January the 6th right now. I actually ended up filing a PayPal claim to get my money back because it says that it's in a sorting facility in LA and it's been there since the 16th. Like, did they ship my order? Like, what happened? Like, I don't understand. Like, it says in sorting facility in transit since the 16th of December. It is January the 6th, okay? It has almost been 1 month and I still have not gotten my order yet. Well, ever since the time that I ordered, it's almost been 2 months now, but you know. And I still don't have my goddaughter's Christmas gift, which is really, really sad and upsetting because this is what I wanted to get her for Christmas. I wanted to get her some KYLIE stuff, you know? So this is the reason why I'm never purchasing from KYLIE Cosmetics ever again. And if I do in the future, if she puts out this super, super amazing product that I can't live without, then you guys can come for me. But as of right now, I'm never purchasing from KYLIE Cosmetics again. So this was just a terrible, terrible experience. They have not, like, I mean, I have not emailed them to get my order reshipped or anything like that because I already got my money back, but it's just like a big hassle, you know? I really wanted this stuff and I still don't have it. This is just like a really upsetting thing, and you shouldn't have to deal with this when it comes to ordering stuff online. Ordering stuff online, I feel like it should be just a super easy, smooth process. Like Sephora does it all the time. You know, I order from Sephora constantly, and I get Sephora is a way bigger company than KYLIE Cosmetics, but KYLIE Cosmetics is worth like a load of money, almost $1 billion. Get a bigger facility, get more people, hire more people. Do what you gotta do, okay? Like, to keep up with the demand, to keep up with the launches, to keep up with the shipping demand. Like, make your company better and hire better customer service people that are more willing to help you. That's all I gotta say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.
I swear I'll try in the end.